of snow, I should say, moving through this afternoon. And then we have seen quieter conditions this evening, some clearing behind this front, still hanging on to a few of those light snow showers across northwest Indiana tonight. But most of us are in the clear with just that potential for some lake effect snow showers for Michigan and parts of northwest Indiana. Clearer skies, though, tonight as we head into the next few hours here. That cold front passing through and leaving that cooler and drier air in its wake today. That's going to continue to bring that Arctic air mass down across the Great Lakes. We're going to see our coldest temperatures since January tonight and into the day tomorrow with that Arctic air mass in place. We're also going to continue to see those really strong winds today. So looking at our temperatures across the Midwest and off into the Plain States, look at this. Just to the north of us, Rhinelander, Wisconsin is at 7 degrees. We're still in the 20s across Chicagoland right now, but starting to fall into the teens. It's 19 in DeKalb, 23 at O'Hare Airport. However, it feels much colder than that when you step outside. We have those wind chills into the single digits for a lot of those northwest counties already, and we're just getting started with that drop. As we head into the next several hours here, a lot of us are going to see those fall below zero, and all of us are going to be below zero with our wind chills by tomorrow morning. So those winds have been fairly breezy throughout the day. We're seeing those sustained winds about 15 to 25 miles per hour, and our gusts right now are about 35 to 40 miles per hour. Those are going to stay strong tonight and into the first half of tomorrow. So that's why we are going to see those really impactful wind chills across the area. Here's what we're expecting right around midnight tonight. Most of us will be below zero with our wind chills up to about 10 to 15 degrees below zero up across those northwest counties. By tomorrow morning, that's where a lot of us will be. We're looking at about 5 to 20 degrees below zero, depending on where you are across the area. Those coldest wind chills will be across our northern counties tomorrow morning and even throughout the day tomorrow. Those winds will lighten a little bit as we head into the afternoon, but it's going to feel like the single digits for all of the day on Thursday. Our actual air temperatures will eventually get into the mid-teens, but it's just not going to feel like it throughout the day. And expecting to see some clear skies early in the day with clouds building in by the afternoon. And that's because we are going to see high pressure build in as we see that low system move off to the north. Those winds staying breezy tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, we see those lighten up as that high pressure moves in and starts to clear out some of those clouds. That's what we're expecting into Friday as well. Some clear skies in the morning and then a little bit of cloud coverage by the afternoon. That's going to build in as our next system approaches from the west. So very small chance of maybe an isolated stray snow shower tonight. Most of us, though, are done with that activity. Could see some flurries this evening. Things are looking mainly dry tomorrow. We could see maybe a light snow shower across extreme southern counties, but most of us are going to be dry. And then most of the day on Friday, we're looking dry as well. By Friday night and into Saturday, that's when our next weather event moves in. Potential for a rain-snow mix in the forecast, something that we're still keeping an eye on. The good news is, as we look at our 8 to 14-day outlook, tonight, tomorrow, extremely cold conditions, but as you look ahead, our extended forecast showing above normal temperatures coming our way. Tonight, though, 3 degrees for our overnight low. Mostly clear skies. A few flurries, coldest air since January. Those wind chills will be as low as 20 below zero in some locations, with the coldest wind chills expected up to the north. Those winds staying breezy out of the northwest, gusting up to about 35 miles per hour. Tomorrow, we're going to start with that sunshine. Those clouds increase throughout the afternoon. It's going to be very cold. Temperatures just into the teens. However, we're going to feel like the single digits throughout the day. And then Friday, we're back into the mid-30s, so much closer to where we should be this time of year. Mostly cloudy skies. We should see some sunshine early in the day and cloud up by the afternoon. Those winds much lighter than what we're going to see over the next 24 hours here.